Hello, I represent Udgam School for Children, a leading CBSC affiliated co-ed school in the vibrant city of Ahmedabad. With a rich tradition of 58 years of academic excellence, we are progressing every day, blending the traditional tried and tested methods with the most modern technology and methods in the field of education to cater to the needs of future. We started noon shift in the last academic year, which is well aligned with the working hours of the parents. Just 2 years down the line, we have more than 1600 happy students and parents in our noon shift family. With a team of well-qualified, trained and experienced teachers, our constant effort is to excel, to be the best in the field of education. I, 𝗗𝗵𝘃 Principal of Noon Shift, welcome you all to be a part of our family. See you at Premier School exhibition at your city. Thank you.